Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with the best tips and guides for using X. In today's video, we'll show you how to publicate the spaces you're listening to in X. If you want to let your followers see the spaces you're engaged in, this full guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open X. Launch the app on your device and ensure you are on the home screen. Step 2. Tap on the account icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the Settings and Privacy section of your X account. Step 4. In the Settings and Privacy menu, tap on Privacy and Security. This option allows you to control the privacy settings of your X account. Step 5. Within the Privacy and Security section, locate and tap on Spaces. This will take you to the settings for managing your spaces. Step 6. To publicate the spaces you're listening to, look for the option Let Followers See Which Spaces You're Listening To and toggle it on. Enabling this option will allow your followers to see the spaces you're currently engaged in. And that's it. You have successfully publicated the spaces you're listening to in X, giving your followers insight into your current listening activities. Thank you for watching this full guide on how to publicate the spaces you're listening to in X. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more X-related tutorials.